Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the tips and lures that I use when I'm fishing a high pressured lake, and I haven't really fished this lake for more than about 2 months, so I don't know it very well. This lake is 250 acres, so obviously it's small, so much fishing pressure at all will really hurt it. And every Tuesday night all year, there is a fishing tournament with between 10 and 20 boats. So the fish are very pressured. So on a pressured lake, you just want to use something small. What this is, it's a 1/8, I want to say 1/8 ounce, maybe less, but I want to say 1/8 ounce with, I just took a lunker log, a Guggen watermelon red lunker log, and cut it in half and put it on this to make a little Ned rig. And it works super well. I've caught anything from tiny fish, like obviously under a pound, to a 5-pound bass, like, which for this lake is about as big as they get. There might be a few 7s. You just cast it out there right on the edge of the shore, and you just flick it maybe 2 or 3 times like that. And it's okay if you're in a kayak or something to take plenty of time and let it sit there, and you can paddle and get back into position. That's the best part about it. For me, who fishes out of a kayak, I'm able to just, like, you know, if I need to, I can paddle back because I'm getting close to shore and the wind's taking me this way. It's a lure that doesn't matter if it sits and lays on the bottom. It's supposed to. Just, and then take out the line so you have a little bit of slack, and you pop it like twice. Same thing, you pop it like twice. Probably gotta reel in here and recast because the wind's pretty heavy. Once again, guys, it's just important to you can't do this thing too slow. You can do too fast, but it will never hurt you to go too slow. And this thing really works during the spawn, but it'll work all year because always there will be fish up on shore. And it works in deeper water, just not quite as well. So I'll reel like maybe the first 10 feet. Oh shoot, I'm too close. Like to about where I am, and then I'll reel it in. Hook thing. Perfect. Got my rod in the water. It's hard to land fish on these kayaks, guys. I'll tell you what. Right. God, let me get in your mouth. There we go. It's a pretty good bass, I'd say. I don't know, getting close to 3 pounds. Nice fish. It's definitely a largemouth. It's that finesse rig right there. Might be hard. There's a little, not bad. Could have been better. Could have gone a little farther in, but not bad. He's a little guy. He hit it pretty late. Oh no, he's not that small. He's decent. Oh, he's not hooked too great though. I would love to get him before he... Man, it's surprising I caught 2 largemouth today, because I'm pretty sure he's a largemouth. It's hard to tell when they're small if they're largemouth or spot, but pretty sure this guy's a largemouth. But he's clearly not as big as the last one, but he hit it pretty deep water, so definitely work it back a little ways. There he is.
go. Look at that. It's not a huge fish, but actually, he's not bad though. This is a high pressure lake. Yeah, he's a good bass. He's no giant or anything, but he is nice. I think it's a largemouth, yeah. I don't know. Right around 2 pounds, maybe a touch over. Tiny, tiny guy. Oh, wow. Whoa. He's a pretty good fish. No! God. And he took my bait. What is going on? Like, what is going on with this hook setup ratio? I think I've caught 1 and I've had 5 at the kayak. Let's see if we can't do that again. Oh man, that's going in the video. This spot deserves it. Whoa, there was a tiny little guy on it. It kind of felt like it was running with it a couple times. Oh, he popped off. As I unhooked it, I didn't have a good grip on his mouth because it was so small. But man, it kind of felt like there was a fish on it, but it just felt so small. I thought it was a little branch or something. Hey guys, like I said, it is 1:21 in the afternoon, and right there is a fisherman. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's right over there. Just to give you an idea of like how heavily fished this lake is.
I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. That was a picture of the lure that I was using. If you're watching at this point in the video, you must have really enjoyed it, so make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. I have another fishing video coming out next week.